The age is no,
Doesn't
yeah,
matter.
it doesn't
Yes.
matter. Hi, see you soon.
See you soon. But sometimes if you fall in love, right, siguro
I
in a
want
week.
atomy tomorrow. Filipina is different from other nationalities because
Do you consider yourself as a feminine?
yes, very kikay.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me?
Okay, hello, this is Maggie from PinayWise.com. And today we're here in Co Jordan Consolacion. Talking with me now is Bianca, and we
Hi.
will talk about her thoughts, feelings, hopes, and dreams. So keep watching. This will be very interesting. Hi, Bianca.
Hi, Miss Maggie.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, you're so beautiful. I like your dimple.
Thank you.
The way that you smile, so bright. Okay, now let's start about your quick bio. Can you tell me about yourself? Like how old are you? Where do you live? Something like that. Okay?
Okay. Okay, so I'm Bianca Latayada. Currently studying at Divine Life Institute of Cebu. Freelance model from Pulpugan Consolacion, Cebu.
Oh, okay. Do you have a big family, Bianca?
We're just four in the family, miss.
Are you the eldest?
Yes.
Oh, how old is your youngest?
12 years old.
12.
Yes.
Is he a boy or a
Yeah,
girl?
boy.
A boy. Oh, that's nice. Since you said that you're studying until now, do you have any side job or part-time
Um,
job?
brand ambassadress.
I
Yeah.
see. Brand is ambassador.
Mhm.
Ambassadress. So
Yes.
online?
No, like someone will hit me up and they
Mm-hmm.
will we will be negotiating about their products for me to endorse it.
Yeah, and how you endorse it?
Um
Personal?
Video, true
Through
videos.
videos, and
Yes.
then they will post it
Promoting.
online.
Yeah, like
Ah,
that.
I see. What brand have you tried to
Is
advertise?
it okay to mention it
Yeah,
here?
it's okay.
Okay. North Sports Apparel.
Oh,
Yes.
really?
Yeah.
North Sport Apparel is clothing.
Yeah.
Clothing.
Jerseys, yeah, like that.
Jerseys. Ah, okay. That's nice. And then how long are you working with them?
Almost 1 year.
Almost
Yeah.
1 years.
This February.
Yeah, so every time they need to advertise their clothes, they call you.
Yes. They will
Ah,
send me some jerseys for me to
oh,
take
that's so
videos with. Yeah.
nice. Okay. Do you like what to do? Do you like what are you doing now?
Yes, of course. It is my dream. Being
Oh,
a model, yes.
yeah. So you tried modeling
Oh
also
yeah.
and pageants.
Mm-mm.
Okay, which one do you like the best? Modeling, endorsing?
I am into endorsing and modeling.
Yeah, but if you will be given a chance to choose, which one will
Um
you choose?
Modeling.
Modeling. You
Yes.
like modeling.
Yeah.
Okay. What are your favorite things to do?
Um in my daily basis, I'm studying. I also I'm also doing runway.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yes.
So runway, you mean you showing them the gowns?
Yes, like that.
Okay. So okay. Do you have many close friends
Not so close. I cannot call them close, but as a friend only,
as
yes.
a
Yeah.
friend? Yeah. You consider close friend or your family?
Of course, yes.
Okay. You said you're the eldest child.
Mm-mm.
Do you consider yourself as a breadwinner?
Actually, no,
No.
because my parents provides what I need, what I want.
And also
Yes.
for your
Yes.
school. Oh, I see. That's nice. They're so responsible.
Yes.
Okay. I just want to ask if you have a serious boyfriend. But before you answer that, you will answer that at the end of this video.
Okay.
Okay, good. Is it okay if I ask you some personal questions at the end of this video?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move on about hardships in life.
Yes.
Okay, where do you grow up? In a city or in a province?
City here in Consolacion.
Ah, you grew up
Yes.
here. Your mom gave birth to you here in
Yes.
Consolacion, and they raised you up here in
Yeah.
Consolacion also. Okay. By the way, Consolacion is a northern part of Cebu, right?
Mhm.
Okay. What is it like being a girl growing up in the city?
Well, it's kind of challenging for our daily basis, because Consolacion is known for its traffic. And yeah, where I'm schooling at Liluan. So every morning it's very hassle for me because
Yeah.
sometimes it's traffic,
Yes,
yes. But
yes.
it's
Consolacion
nice.
known as the
Yeah.
city capital of traffic.
But it's nice.
Yeah, but actually it's nice also to stay in Consolacion
Yes, of
because it's
course.
not that polluted
Yeah.
and there's a lot
And the
of
heritage here.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, do you think there is a big difference in girls from the province versus girls from the city?
For me, it's not that big difference because some city girls wanted to live in province, and some province girlies wanted to live and wanted to experience the city life.
Yes. Okay. For based on what I see, I saw, sometimes from the not all, ha, I'm
Yeah,
not
not all.
generalizing it. Most of the girls in the city, they're more open,
Yes.
right? Not like the girl in the province. They girls from the province are more on shy type,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Has your life been good so far?
Yeah. So far, it's good.
So far, so
Yes.
good. Okay. Are you happy where you live now?
Yes.
Okay. What? Where do you live now? Is it a compound or
Um,
subdivision?
Compound,
It's a
family compound.
Oh, it's a
Yes.
family
Yeah.
compound where your relatives stay. You stay
Mm-mm.
there together. So
Yes.
it's nice
Yes,
when
it's
you
nice.
stay in a place together with your family,
Yes.
especially
You're,
holidays like
yeah.
Christmas and New Year's.
Yes,
You
you'll get
celebrate all together, right?
you'll
And
get
share
really
food,
close.
and that's how you bond together, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Do you make enough money to have a good life?
I can say because I'm still studying. Yes,
Yes.
but sometimes I can give what my family wants, like their foods, because
Mm-hmm.
I have sidelines.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. I Okay. You said that you have sidelines. Every
Yes.
time you got money from your sidelines, you spend it for yourself only.
Not for myself only, but I
You
can
share
give.
it with your
Yeah, I'm
family.
sharing it with my fam.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's one of the traits of Filipina
Yes.
also, or not
Mm-mm.
only Filipino, but Philippine
Mm-mm.
people from the Philippines. We love sharing,
Yes.
even though we don't have something to share. What we can do is to help,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the hardest thing about your life?
Um, I can't say very hard because I'm not taking failures or hardship as negative vibes. I'm only taking up positive because I know that it is only it is just a time.
It will just
Yes,
pass
yes,
by.
it will pass by only. So
Yeah, yeah,
yes.
that's right. Like what I always said, it will problems will not stay there.
Yes.
It will always pass by in your
Mm.
life. Maybe God put you in that hardships or in that situation
For you to grow.
because you need to learn something,
Yes. Yes.
and he knows that you can handle that
Mm-mm.
problems and hardships,
Yes.
right? Okay, what hardships have you and your family experienced?
Um I can't say anything because my parents knows how to handle problems so well that they
Uh-huh.
can't affect their children so bad.
Ah, I see. So every time you have a family problem, they keep it. Or
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
they keep it, or your
Yes.
parents keep it to themselves
Yes.
and fix them together
Yes.
as wife and husband.
Yes.
Oh, that is so
I'm so
nice.
proud of that.
Yeah, you need to be proud of them
Yes,
because
of
not all
course.
parents is like that are like
Yes.
that. sometimes it's so bad that some of our kababayans or people from the Philippines or a family here in the Philippines, they show how they fight to their
Yes.
childrens. And sometimes the baddest thing is if their children saw their parents fighting and hurting each other,
Yeah.
that will really affect the mentality of the kids,
Yes.
right? So that it can make or build the depression and anxiety of their
Yeah.
child. That is why you need to be proud of
Yes.
your
Yes, miss.
parents. Okay. Now, let's move on your goals in life.
Okay.
Who has been the most influential person in your life?
Of course, my family, because without them, they can give me the inspiration to move forward and to live my best life. Yes.
Yes, that's right. Is it okay to ask what is the job of your father?
Um, it is engineering firm, like
Oh,
foreman, like that.
really?
Yes.
Yeah.
And my mother is a housewife.
Oh, I see. So technically your father is the one who's providing for
Yes.
everyone.
Mm-mm.
Oh, that is so nice. So your father is just working here in
Yes.
Cebu.
Around
Oh,
Mandaue only.
only in
Mhm.
Mandaue. So since when he start working as an engineer or foreman?
Um, I don't know
When
because
when you grow up,
yeah.
until you grow, when you
Um,
still a
I
kid?
think 5 years ago.
I see.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Yes, but something
Yeah.
like that.
Okay. But your father is an engineer.
No. Almost.
Almost.
Yes, foreman, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What insecurities, if any, are you willing to share?
Um, I think my lips.
Why?
Because no, I don't know, but I'm insecure of it. Yeah.
Mm. For me, it's nice, especially when you smile. Like what I said, right? That I like when you
Yes.
smile. It makes our day bright, and
Thank you,
your dimple is
miss.
so nice. Don't be insecure with that. Okay, what's your definition of fulfilling life?
I think my definition of fulfilling life is seeing my family happy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, that's the most important, right?
Mm.
And it double the
Yes,
happiness
of
when
course.
you saw your parents or your family happy,
Yes,
that
definitely.
they're not having problems, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
they're just happy.
Yes.
Okay, how do you define success in life?
So, success is not always, it's not all about winning in life, but achieving smaller goals, working hard, and looking up for a bright future, looking up to God.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. Yes, it's not about always
Winning in
winning,
life. Yes.
right? That's right. Um, how what does happiness mean to you, and how do you pursue it?
For me, happiness is when I achieve what I've dreamt of, yes. And by working hard, smaller by smaller,
Mm-hmm.
yes,
You'll achieve
I
that
can
one.
achieve that goal of mine.
Mm-hmm. So happiness means to you like is like achieving goals in
Yes.
life, right?
Yes.
Okay. How do you feel about adventures or trying new things?
Well, it's kind of exciting and challenging at the same time.
Mhm.
Bec-
Um, did you try to go some other places to adventure that place
Yes.
and try new things from that place?
Yes. Like mountains in the now. My
Mountains
tito,
in Danao.
yeah.
So you hike.
Yes. But
Oh,
not so like
not so
hike.
far.
Yes.
But how many minutes you hike?
I think 30.
Oh, 30
Yeah.
minutes only.
Yeah.
Oh, and
I have
then
a weak immune system.
yeah.
Yes.
Then what time did you start?
Early
Morning?
in the morning,
Early in the
yes.
morning.
Yes.
So what did you see there?
The nature's beauty of nature.
Of
The
Consolacion,
yeah.
or you saw also
Um
Cebu?
Like Danau City. Yes.
You saw part of Danau
Yeah.
City in that mountain. Oh, that is
Yes.
so nice. But how about the way going to that mountain?
Actually, it's pretty good.
It's
Yes.
not that
Not
hard
that
to
hard.
hike.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, because sometimes it's so the way going is are so slide
Yeah.
and it's so hard to hike, right? Okay. Now, let's talk about attitudes toward
Okay.
dating and marriage. I know that you're still studying and you don't have experience about foreigner, but for you only. In dating, what qualities are you looking for in a partner?
Of course, God fearing, family oriented, and has emotional intelligence.
Oh, wow. That's right. God fearing is one of the best traits you can
Yes.
find to person because if that guy was afraid from God or have God in their body,
Yes.
everything is so easy,
Yes. Of
right?
true.
Okay, how important are these qualities to you?
It is important for me because I am looking up from my father's quality of being a
Yeah.
man. Yes.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
And I want my partner to be like my father's attitude.
Mm-hmm.
Um he can provide, he can treat his wife well.
Yes, that's
And
right. Yeah. I think most of the girls, if sometimes if their father is good, they always look up to their
yes.
father. And when they start looking for a partner for themselves, they always look up to father qualities,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And it's so important because you want also to what you call this to experience
Yes, miss.
that the life that you have when you're having your own
Yes, that is so
family.
important.
That is
Yes.
so okay. Do you want someone who takes care of you or do you want to be independent?
Um, both, because I want to be taken care of and I want also to be independent, because my mother always say you should be independent for you to get out of any situation you don't like. Yes.
That is so true because
Yes.
there's you cannot control
Yeah.
what will happen
Yes.
and sometimes not will not um sometimes there's an accident that you stay by yourself.
Yes.
That is why your mom is really
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
But sometimes it's so nice also if someone was taking care of
Yes.
you,
Yes, miss.
especially when you're all day outside of your home and when you come back there's someone who can
Yes. You can
baby
call
you.
home. Yes.
Something like that. Okay, do you want to have a home and children or is your career more important?
For now, it is career is more important, because you can't call a home if you are not independent or stable enough to provide for it.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes.
Um Having a career while you're making your own family are so important.
Yes.
They said they said money can't buy happiness,
Yes.
but it is.
Yes.
It really it is. That's the reality, right? So if someone will ask you career than having a family, of course we need to prioritize having a stable job
Yes.
first,
Yes. Yes. Correct.
right? Yeah, because it's so hard to have your own family when both of you are not stable,
Yes.
right? It's not you who's will having a hardship, but
Yeah.
also your children.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, how do you view the role of a husband and wife in a marriage?
Um, Understanding each other.
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
understanding each other
Mm-hmm.
and trust,
Yes.
because by understanding each other, you'll know the bad side and the good side,
Mm-hmm.
and you can correct the bad
Mm-hmm.
in every situation.
Mm-hmm.
And good, it is an advantage for you both to be able to be a good figure for your future family.
Yes, that's right. It's so important that you need to understand each other.
Yes.
If one of you have a moody
Yes.
attitude, one should be the one who can understand you. Because if you don't understand each other, you will always fight.
Mm,
And fighting will give you a reason to broke up,
yes.
right? So, do you consider yourself as a feminine?
Yes.
Oh,
Very kikay.
really?
Yeah. Mm.
So you like going to some places where you can buy like girly things.
Yes, but
Uh,
it depends on my mood, Miss Maggie. Yes.
when you're at home, you love
I
doing
want to do
something.
makeups.
Oh,
Yes.
really? And
Every
you
time.
you love dressing.
Yeah.
Okay. What are your long-term goals for a relationship?
um you know, that kind of respecting each other's decision.
Mhm. Yes, that is so important. What do you think that respecting each other in a relation is important?
For you to grow, for each other to grow,
Mm-hmm.
and I want a relationship that will support each other's wants.
Mm-hmm,
Yes.
mm-hmm. Yes, that's so important. That you need to support each other. What likes of each one of you, and support which likes do you have, and your the thing that you choose.
Mhm.
Right? Okay. What do you hope to achieve in a marriage?
A healthy one.
A healthy one.
Yes.
What do you mean a healthy one?
Healthy, good mindset of your partner, so you can build healthy relationship together in a home.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So you mean that a healthy, like you're not always quarrel.
Having
Also, of course,
arguments, yes.
it's given.
Yeah, but
There's no relationship
not
that
that
you will not
deep.
fight.
Yes.
Even those small
Mm.
things. If someone will not say good morning to you, you'll be get angry.
Yes.
So in a relationship, it's really natural, right?
Mm.
But you're looking for a relationship that even though you fight from to each other, you can still talk to it at the end of
Yes,
the
not
day.
that deep arguments.
Yeah. Okay. What would you be willing to sacrifice for the perfect marriage, a relationship?
Actually, I don't have. It's not. I have nothing to sacrifice, because um practically there's no perfect relationship.
Yes.
But you should always think that it is not always bad. That will only pass by, and you'll always have to think that you can be okay in every problems, because there's no problems that don't have solution.
Yes, yes, that's right. Um, yeah, yeah. In in love, no need for you to sacrifice anything, right?
Yes, people. I mean, come what may, like
Come,
that.
yes, that is so true. Okay, what makes a Filipina special in a relationship versus other nationalities?
Filipinas can take care of something when it is very important for them.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it is not, I mean, like, Filipina is different from other nationalities, because Filipina is something that it is very serious and committed to.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
It's like, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes. For me, Filipina are so committed if
Yes.
they um into
Yeah.
relationship. Yeah. And sometimes we can give all of us
Yes.
when we are in a relationship. And we can sometimes we can change
Yeah.
ourselves just for our loved ones, right? Okay. Now let's move on about your attitudes towards dating a foreigner. Okay. Have you ever dated anyone online?
Yes.
Oh, you tried.
Yeah.
So, where do you meet them?
Blew up.
Application, dating
Yes.
application. And how was it?
I'm not into online
Online.
meeting, yes, but it's good.
It's
Like if you're not meant to be, you can still
yeah.
be friends. Yes.
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
At least you meet each other. At
Yeah.
least you try,
Yes.
right? Okay, if you dated someone online, how long would you want to get to know them before meeting them in person
I think when you're comfortable with each
with
other.
each other?
Yes.
Yes. Do you think a year or 6 months? As long as you're
It
comfortable.
depends
It
on the
depends.
situation, yes.
But sometimes if you fall in love, right, siguro
I
in a
want that to
week,
me tomorrow.
in a week you can meet each
Yeah.
other. Yes, that's right. But sometimes, it's so nice that you try online
Yeah.
dating also, and it makes you excited that
Yes.
you try that also. Because sometimes you can meet best man or the man of your dreams in
Mm,
that application also,
yes.
right? Okay, what is your thought about LDR or long distance relationships?
For me, it really works because my titas, their husbands are seamans.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
And
The
yes.
husband of your aunt
Yeah.
is a seaman, a
Yes.
foreigner or no?
Not.
Local
Yes,
only.
local. But the thought that it is
Oh
LDR,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes,
Yes.
it really
How was
works.
it when you saw their
When
relationship?
when I saw the relationship, I can
Mhm.
say that it is hard.
It's
Yes,
hard.
because they have childrens and
Mm-hmm.
you'll be gone with their side.
Yes.
It's hard.
Yeah, they
But
cannot see how their children grow.
yes, yes.
Yeah, it's so hard. And but their auntie is the housewife,
I know they
working
have,
also.
yes, working.
Ah, I see. So both of them provide for the for their kids.
Yes.
Oh, that is so nice. But what I know is if you work in a cruise or if you're a seaman, it will not take you so long to go
Yes.
home,
Nine
right?
months.
9 months?
Yes.
Oh, so it's almost a year.
Yeah.
And then when they go home here, they only have a month
Oh
or
yes.
two or
Yes. Like that.
something like
Something
that.
like that.
At least they can see each other
Yes.
every
But
year.
for them it's a very short period of time.
Yes,
Yes.
actually, especially when they saw each other for 9 months. For them, 1 month is only 1 week,
Yes.
right?
Like that.
Especially when they're kids.
Yes.
Yes, okay. How would you consider dating someone older than you?
Well, I think that is really my type because
Ah,
in this generation, miss, you can say that everyone is serious in terms of relationship
mm-hmm.
because some older man is committed on what they are encountering with.
Yes,
So I can
yes.
say that it's nice, and when you can meet has a emotional intelligence, you can say that
Yes.
yes, I'm in a right man.
Oh, yes. Because sometimes when you date someone who is younger than you, they are so childish.
Yes.
And sometimes they're not serious. They
Yes.
only want to try a relationship.
Sometimes you just want to say, you can call me ate.
Ah. Yeah. You can always call me big sister. And if we're
Yes.
in a good mood, we're in a relationship.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so you choose to have a partner who is older than you.
Yes.
Okay, how does age matter to you?
Well, it's not that important because when you understand each other, the age is
Doesn't
yeah,
matter.
it doesn't
Yes.
matter because you are capable of understanding his point of view and he can
Yes.
understand you.
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
And he can
Yes.
understand yours, so age doesn't matter.
Yes, that is so right. When you love each other, it really don't matter.
Yes.
Because it's just an age. It
Yes.
will not affect how do you love each other or how will make your relationship grow,
Yes. As
right?
long as you understand each
Yes.
other's.
Would you consider dating someone who had been married before or had kids?
I don't think so
Mm-hmm.
because we have different perspective in life,
Yes.
and I know myself that I know my worth. So I need to find we can't call a good man because we don't know, but I don't think I can be with them, with
Mm-hmm.
someone who's married or has
His
children.
children
Yes.
before. You're afraid that if he's having a problem with his past life, it's impossible for you to have
Yes.
what you call this good
Good.
relationship
Yes.
also. So you're afraid of that. Okay.
Yes.
So if ever you will go into a relationship, you want to be fresh. It to be fresh.
Yeah.
Both of you don't have or just married or have kids together. Okay. Would you consider dating some have you ever dated a foreigner?
Um. Not not yet. Not yet. Yes, but I'm I'm good with that. I'm good to meet some.
Foreigners.
Yes.
But as of now, you didn't try
Yes.
in dating.
Mhm.
Like personally, you did not meet a foreigner.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, maybe you need to go to Siargao to
Yes,
meet
I think
some
so. Boracay.
Something like Boracay.
Yes.
Because here in Cebu, I didn't see, or maybe I just don't know, but I didn't see more or
Yes.
many foreigners here,
And
right?
Siargao
In
has a
But
lot.
in Siargao's always, right? Like there's a bridge there where it's like a market for
Yes, on that.
it's like a market of foreigners that you need to choose.
Yes. Hey, come with me.
And then you'll meet. But here, I think all the foreigners here are here because of the business, or and
Mhm.
here because of they just want to visit the
Yes.
place, but not a foreigner that is looking for you know a partner.
Yes.
Okay, if ever you'll be dating a foreigner, what would you expect to experience?
um Taken good care of because foreigners is known for its very good and taking care of Filipina.
Yes,
Yes.
that is correct. Would you want the foreigner to move to the Philippines or do you want to move to his country?
Actually it depends because for me it's okay for me to go in his country, but at the same time I want him to decide if he wanted to or he'll just
Uh,
stay.
as long as where he's
Yes.
happy and feel safe, something
Mhm.
like that. Okay, but I think, but you want also, when you stay in their country, you want to open visit the
Yes.
Philippines. Okay. What are your thoughts on dating a foreigner compared to a local Filipino man?
Actually, not all Filipinos can provide your needs and wants, just like other foreigners. But when you know how to pick a good man,
Mm-hmm.
provider mindset, then you can expect and what's on your expectations.
Yes, that is so true. But what are the advantages of dating foreigner versus Filipino man? What do you think of the advantages of dating a foreigner and a Filipino man?
In this generation, I can say that foreigners is more serious in terms of relationship
Mm-hmm.
because Filipinos nowadays isn't serious about that.
Yes.
Like married couples, I mean married man can cheat off with his wife like that.
Yes.
But
That's
not all, yes.
yeah, not all.
Yes.
It's just that in terms of numbers,
Yes.
there's a lot of numbers of a foreigner who enter a relationship for to marry.
Yes.
Not like, not, I'm not generalizing all the Filipino, but sometimes they date just for their pleasure
Yes.
and to be happy. And then sometimes when they saw a girl who is better than you,
Yes.
they will just ghost you,
Mm,
right?
yes. That's so true.
Okay, now let's talk about dating obstacles. How strict is your family about dating?
Actually, they'll just support me in my decisions as long as I'm doing good, not
Mm,
doing the bad in
mhm.
situation.
Yes.
So if they'll see me happy with that man or a partner,
Mhm.
then they'll just support me.
Mhm.
But they will guide me in
Yes,
every decision I
you
made.
make.
Yes.
Okay. Would you be embarrassed about being seen with a foreigner?
Actually, no, because
No.
I don't care about other people's opinion.
Uh,
Yes,
yeah,
and
that is so true.
yes,
And you need to train yourself
yes,
not to, to affect you of
yes,
that opinions of what people say at your back.
yes,
These people, they just stay at your back.
yes,
And whatever happens to you in front of you, they will not saw it.
yes.
Okay. Would you be embarrassed about dating or marrying a foreigner?
No, because if I know myself that I chose a good man or a responsible one, then I will be proud of that because
Mhm.
they can provide on what I need, but my partner can.
Yes,
Yes.
that is so true.
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes there is a lot of gossip or accusations from friends and neighbors about dating a foreigner. Would this bother you?
No,
No. Why?
because in this generation,
Mhm.
there are lots of discouragements that
Mhm.
no, not that foreigner because it
Mhm.
is not from here. But I don't care about that because as long as my parents, my family approves, then I'm okay with that.
Yes, because sometimes also, I'm not saying all foreigners, but are some people here from the Philippines, they're afraid to have a foreign
Yes.
partners because sometimes the foreigner when they bring them to their country they will just hurt them,
Yes.
abuse them,
Yes.
something like that. That's why you need to really choose the right
Yes.
people, right?
It is up to you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, how important is family approval when it comes to choosing a partner?
Very important
Mhm.
because family will guide you in every steps you made,
Mhm.
and sometimes they'll say, I know the instinct, my instinct in that person. So yes, okay, I trust you. You can see.
Yes, that is so true. Sometimes also it will make your relationship happy if your family
Yes.
approves your relationship, right? Because if your family did not approve your relationship, it's so hard that you cannot visit your family,
Yes.
they cannot bond together because they did not approve. That
Yes.
is why
So
family approval is so important,
yes, miss, very
right?
correct.
Okay. How do you think your family and friends would react to you dating and potentially marrying a foreigner?
For me, if my parents will know that my partner is a good man, and yes, it's okay for them and they'll be happy for me. But my friends, okay, next question, please. I think they'll just at first they'll just say that, why is that happening? And yes,
Yes, that is
they'll just
so
support
true.
me.
We- What role does your family play in your decision making process about relationships and marriage?
Um, for me, I'll seek guidance, always guidance from my family
Yes.
because it is something that's very important.
That is so true. Sometimes, because sometimes we don't know how to.
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
Because sometimes we don't know how to choose.
Yes.
And sometimes your parents more they know more
Yes.
about choosing people
Mm.
because they experienced that one
Yes,
already.
miss.
That is why it's so important for you that in times of decision making, your family is there also. You know. Okay. How do you think marrying a foreigner would affect your relationship with your family?
I think it will not affect my family as long as I chose the right man, the right path.
Mhm.
So it will not affect my family because as long as you are taken good care of, they'll be okay with that. That's
Mhm.
why it can't affect.
Yes. Okay, what are the expectations of your family regarding your partner and your future marriage?
My expectation about that is something that very healthy bonding, healthy mindset with
Mhm.
people around me. And
Yes.
yes, that's
Okay. Um, what are the expectation of your family regarding your partner and your future marriage?
okay.
And so you expect that your family expect for you to have a healthy relationship
Yes.
and a future marriage. Would your family expect support from your husband?
I don't think so because as of now, my family can provide our needs.
Mhm.
And looking forward with it, I don't think so that they'll seek support from my partner.
Yes, that is so true. Okay, now let's talk about travel. So, do you like travel?
Yes.
Oh, have you ever left the Philippines?
Not yet, soon.
Not yet
Yeah.
soon. After you
Yes,
graduate.
after I
Okay.
graduate.
If you could travel, where would you go?
Paris, France.
Ah, yeah,
Yes.
the Eiffel
Yeah. Yeah.
Tower. Yeah,
City
the
of love.
city of love. Maybe you will find there the man of
Yes.
your dreams. Okay, yes, Paris is so nice, but
Yes.
sometimes they say there's a lot of pickpockets
Yes,
there,
culprits. Yes.
right?
That's right.
Okay. Do you adapt well to new surroundings and cultures?
Looking forward with it. Someday, I
Mm.
wanted to experience that.
Yeah, but do you think you can adapt well in new
Yes.
culture of new cultures? Okay, what course are you trying to take up?
Customs.
Ah,
Yes, customs
customs.
administration.
Wow. Okay, when you graduate, I will call you.
Okay, miss.
And then when you work there, you tell me if there's a lot of food.
Okay, okay.
I'm just joking. Okay, now let's move on about your wishes. If you could find the man of your dreams, who would he be?
Engineers later young.
Oh my god, yeah.
Yes.
I think
Man of
he's
my dream.
so good and nice to
Yes.
be a partner, right? The
Yes.
way he treats Chris Uy,
Yes.
the wife. Actually, um, Engineers Later Young was a famous local what do you call this, local celebrity
Yes.
before, and then after that he left the showbiz and do some job here, very
Yes.
nice job
Very
here
nice.
in Cebu, and he's want to be a well-known engineer here in Cebu. Oh,
Yes.
and yeah, so
Yeah.
the man of your dreams is
Yes.
later,
Later
yeah.
young.
Yeah. Okay, if ever you found or you find that man, describe your life together.
Um Very healthy relationship with, because as of now I am looking for it. I mean, I'm waiting while looking for a man like Slater Young.
Mm-hmm. Okay. If you had three wishes, how would you make your life better?
Um you know, healthy healthy, stable life, and happy.
Okay. Describe what would make your life better?
By being financially stable.
Yes, that is so true. Don't
Yes.
be shy about that.
Mm,
All of us needs that one.
yes.
It makes our life content if we have a stable life.
Yes.
If some wonderful man was interested in you, would you be open to that?
Yes, I'll be open because who wouldn't be open with that?
Yes, that is so true. When
Yes.
you're looking for a partner, right? Oh, you say hi, maybe.
Hi, see
See,
you soon.
see you soon. See you in the right time.
See you in the right time.
Okay, what would you like the viewers to know about the Philippines?
Philippines is a beautiful chaos. Yes, I can say that it is a beautiful chaos because you can learn a lot of things here, a lot of adventures, the
Mm.
culture, the beliefs.
Yes, that is so that is so true.
Yes.
How about anything you would like to say to all the viewers from all over the world?
Hi guys. So thank you for watching Filipino Wise vlog.
Naiwai.
Pinay Wise vlog, sorry. And if you wanted to be familiar with Philippines with Filipina, you can watch the vlog here in YouTube, right?
Yes. Okay, this has been a lot of fun. Any advice you can give for those Filipina who is looking for a foreign partners, and any advice to foreigners who is looking for Filipina partner?
For both, all I can say is choose wisely because you'll never know. You think it is not the right one, but in the right time, you can say
Mhm.
that he is the one or she is the one.
Yeah, but they need to be more how you call this, choosy
Yes,
also, because not all is
yes, not
good.
all.
Is right? That is so true. Okay, now we're done.
Yes.
Bianca, I asked you a while ago if you have a
Okay.
serious boyfriend. Do you have a serious boyfriend now?
No,
Oh,
single.
Elise, single.
Yes, also ready to mingle. Joke. Kidding aside.
Yeah, so you're really open.
Yes.
Okay. So you're not looking for them, you're waiting for
Yes,
them.
I'm waiting. Bec-
If you want to see me, visit Cebu.
yes. See you here.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Bianca,
Miss Maggie.
for your time. And we have a wonderful time talking with you. Okay. I would like to thank Bianca for taking the time to speak with us today. It has been very interesting getting her thoughts and feelings about Filipino life, culture, and dating.
Yes. Okay. Thank you all for all the viewers of Pinay Wise. And if you like my videos, please comment down below. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.
Okay, Bianca, thank you so
Thank you so much,
much.
Miss
Okay.
Maggie.
Bye.
Bye.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about.